Hey guys, if you're new, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, so before we start, today you will see my full day of eating. Now it's 6:40 in the morning. Time to check my weight. Yeah, going to have bisees immediately now. Yeah, so my weight is back to normal finally. And this is how my meal 1 looks like. See you on meal 2. Okay, meal 2, shrimps, avocado, and rice. Yeah, so we're going to add mustard, like completely natural, zero everything. So this is going to be my pre-workout meal. So I usually have it like 2 hours before training. Add some vegetables. And yeah, I salt all my meals. Salt is really important, so you need salt if you want to improve your performance, your strength, your recovery. Salt your meals, okay? See you on meal 3. Okay, so post-workout meal without fat source, on the shrimps and rice. Usually I eat like tilapia or chicken breast, but now I had at home lots of shrimps, so I cooked them also. No fat because I need just fast as possible to absorb the carbs and the protein to restore the glycogen, and the muscle could grow as fast as possible. Okay, so see you on meal 4. Cool. Yeah, so I did shopping today as well. Tilapia, steak, too much. Okay, and chicken. Yep. So usually I buy food for 7 days because if I would buy more, it wouldn't be so fresh, and just the fridge is too small. So we have eggs. So in one pack, it's like 2 layers of fruit eggs. So one pack is 6 eggs. So 120, I guess. If my math is good. Okay, so we have avocados, healthy fats. More avocados. And I love berries. Lots of good fiber and lots of nutrients. So especially in the morning, like you saw, I take it from my pancake. And after the workout, especially after the workout, the fruit is really important if you want to maximize your gains. Peanut butter and lots of cucumbers, because you know that I love cucumber ice cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna just pack everything, and I did my 5th meal already. I didn't film it because it was like completely the same like my 4th meal, just instead of shrimps it was chicken breast with avocado. So now I'm going to film my last meal of the day. It's going to be a steak, so I'm going to show you how I'm cooking it, and that's it. So see you in a few minutes. Yeah, and fast I'm going to also share my little secret how to make the steak even taste much better. So like 1 day before or 2 days before cooking it, so I put the steak in the small bag, add some honey barbecue spice, and which has, it's really good actually, it has basically everything of zero. It doesn't have sugar, and the ingredients are like onions, garlic, sea salt, honey, California chili, pepper, all natural things. So even on the contest prep you can use it. I was using it, so make sure that you always check the ingredients, that it shouldn't have any sugars or sugar alcohols, especially sugar alcohols in protein bars, because sugar alcohol makes you really fart. It's like lots of gas, it gives you lots of gas. So especially if you're buying a pre-workout, make sure that, this is my recommendation, just do what seems best for you. But yeah, because sugar alcohol makes you like lots of gas, so during the workout, especially if the pre-workout has sugar alcohol, you will fart a lot. So if you want to avoid that, make sure that like sweeteners like stevia are really good. Okay, so I added some garlic, spice, and a little bit of lemon juice, the squeeze. And on the end, Himalayan salt. This will make like bags like this, and rub it, and then put it in the fridge, and then the next day it's going to taste perfect. Yeah, and fast, my workouts are like now just training 4 days in a row, then I rest, then repeat. So 4 rest, 4 rest. That way I'm recovering fast enough to make sure that all my sessions are like really hard. And even now, what you saw in this video, every 2-3 weeks I change my nutrition plan and my workouts. So even the next week I'm going to eat different portions. So everything what I do has a reason. All the products what I eat has a reason. So make sure that you educate yourself, read books, learn, and yeah, good. Okay, so the steak is cooked, and I'm going to make it fancy. I'm going to add an egg on the top, mushrooms. I'm going to add some vegetables too, cucumbers. Yeah, so this is the last meal of the day. And for all of you, I would recommend at least to get like in all the meals different protein sources, so just not like eating all day just chicken or all day just egg whites. Basically, if we now of course if your budget allows you. So you saw that almost my every meal is different protein source, so that way my body absorbs better. So and also I'm getting all the nutrients on all the different amino acids. So basically it's like maximizing the protein synthesis. So your body absorbs it more, you grow more, you recover faster, and then you can train harder, yeah? And yeah, so this meal plan that you saw that I'm using, it's not for everybody, everybody's different. So it doesn't mean that if you're going to copy this and do the same, it will work for you. So everyone is different, you need to find the best like nutrition plan for you. So this is when I work with my clients and make it like personalized, so by his body type. So this is, I just share my nutrition plan with you just to show like every meal is really important, and like gram by gram, and all the protein, fats and carbs is really important to get, and the timing. And still, I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, comment down below. And now just going to peel my cucumber. Like I said, just try out like you saw in this video. Maybe actually this type of meal plan that I showed you will work for you. If not, just like I tell everybody, gather as much as information as possible from different sources. Think what best works for you, think logically, and then everybody makes the best choices what for them seems the best. So just do what seems the best for you, make your own choice, gather as much as information as possible, learn and understand why are you doing this. Why are you eating in the morning eggs like protein source? Why you need to have fat source? And why you need to take that supplement instead of that supplement? Always learn and ask yourself why are you using this and why it's good for you. And when you learn, then you can figure out everything and just make things much more healthier and like maximize your performance and maximize muscle growth. Okay, that's it. This is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Share your opinion. Thanks for watching, and see you in a few days.